One of the secrets to begin to and move beyond confusion is one of the secrets is to understand that it does have a positive purpose, a positive potential. It's not just all negative like the ego in us wants to think and tries to avoid. And when you can realize this secret that there is a positive potential, that confusion is going to be a part of your growth. Going into the unknown and going and being a person who's willing to create something different, to be an innovator, is always going to be plagued by self-doubt. And they're going to have that sense of confusion from time to time. But they don't let it stop them. And that's important. And when you can realize it has a positive, both a positive and a negative quality, confusion has both potentials, just that alone can help you to shift your relationship to it. So let's talk about it. What is it? What is confusion and what does it do, basically? So confusion is a mental and an emotional state of being. It is a mental and an emotional state of being. And one of the things it does is it exposes the ambiguity, the uncertainty, and the apathy that you're dealing with. It brings it to the surface. Confusion brings it forward, saying, hey, you've got some ambiguity and uncertainty and apathy here. It's showing you and exposing it to you. Secondly, it is an indicator. It is a flag that new opportunities could come into alignment in your life. It is an indicator that new opportunities could come into alignment within your life. And it is a message, thirdly, it is a message to slow down, to be patient, to pause. When you're confused about something, it's not the time to make a decision. It's a time to pause, to slow down, to be patient. That's what's more important at that time. So confusion is a message to be patient. It's one of its positive things. And you'll understand it in a minute here as I describe some more. Confusion is also a signal that the chaos of change is in motion in your life. That I'm going through some changes and I'm feeling the chaos. And that chaos, often people, especially the immature ego, sees the chaos and feels its uncomfortability and calls it confusion. And so chaos is an indicator that change is happening in your life. And when you're going through change, as I've talked about in my 9 Secrets to Overcome Resistance to Change course, I talked about that all change produces chaos. Positive changes or negative changes. Getting married, getting divorced, starting a new job, losing your job, all produces chaos. And when you can learn to dance with chaos, you can master change. So change and chaos and confusion are often wedded together by the ego. But when you feel confusion, it often can be an indicator that change is happening. It is also a message for you to open up and to expand possibilities. Some of these are all positive things that confusion can offer you. It is about opening up to new possibilities, to greater possibilities than you've considered in the past. It is an indicator and a flag that you're somehow out of balance with yourself. You're out of balance with your desires, with your dreams, with your passion. Somehow it could be a red flag saying, slow down, you're confused here because you're out of balance with your desires. You're out of balance with your dreams. You're out of balance with your passion. So confusion can be an indicator of that. So these are 7 different things. And it also, the 7th one is it exposes the powerlessness and control of your immature ego. When you're feeling confused, oftentimes it can expose that your ego, your immature ego, is feeling powerless and trying to take control of your life. And so these are 7 different things that the nature of confusion. It is a mental, emotional state of being. It's not just an emotion, it's a mental state of mind. It is a conflict in your consciousness. So what causes it?